Hello guys, today I have got the SOUNDCORE AeroClip earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can easily install and set up the application for your earbuds in your Android phone. At first you need to open the Play Store. Then head to the search bar at the bottom, search section. Then if you tap this search the second time, you'll be brought into the search bar. Here in the search bar, search for the SOUNDCORE. Now tap this lookup icon. As you can see here, I've got our SOUNDCORE application from Anchor developer. And here you need to tap install. Now wait a moment. As you can see, this application has weighs 266 megabytes, so it's quite a lot. Now tap open. Here tap agree and continue, and now we can log in to the SOUNDCORE account to become a member and enjoy more benefits. But if you don't want to create an account or log in, you can tap the skip in the top left corner. Here you can allow to get to receive notifications, and here we got some AI assistance, etc. Now to add your device, your SOUNDCORE AeroClip headphones, you need to tap Add Device button. Now tap allow to determine the position and connect to nearby devices. And now when we are connected to our headphones, we have them here, SOUNDCORE AeroClip. You can tap it here. Here we got this tutorial for the position, and now we are done. Goodbye.